All right, folks, welcome into the AI Copy Lab once again. I'm Andy O'Brien. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay. This time around, we're going to talk about persuasion and persuasive words using persuasive language in our copy, whether it's a sales page or your website or your emails or Facebook ads, whatever. So if you're not sure what words would apply to being persuasive, let's just ask ChatGPT because it's pretty cool what it can do. I'm going to share my screen. So all I did was say, give me the 100 most persuasive words in the English language. That's it. And ChatGPT, of course, came through. Certainly, here is a list of 100 persuasive words that are commonly used to engage and persuade audiences. Number one, of course, is free, but it just goes down the line. Guaranteed is great. Discover, unforgettable. Trusted is huge. Revolutionary, breakthrough, sensational, unbeatable. These are all really powerful, persuasive words. But the cool thing about asking it for 100 is because it might come up with some that maybe you haven't thought of. Okay, so take a look at this list. When you do it, and see what you can come up with when writing your copy. Because if you don't feel like you want to have ChatGPT write, or Claude.ai or Bard or whatever, if you don't feel good about having it write your entire sales page, then just have it give you some ideas for persuasive words. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. So that's this video. It's all about persuasive language. When you can use persuasive words in your copy in a way that generates some real enthusiasm with your target audience, you go a long way to making a sale. I'm Andy O'Brien. Make sure you hit the subscribe button in the AI Copy Lab, and I'll see you next time.